Hi friends! Welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Pam Brown, an Australian poet, said, "Dads are most ordinary men turned by love into heroes, adventurers, storytellers, and singers of song."
Happy Father's Day!
Today's video is a sneak peek of our Father's Day celebration. We are going to make chow mein noodles, pepper chili mushroom, and eggless mango custard cake. Avi, are you ready to make delicious recipes?
Yeah!
Let's hop right into the kitchen and make this delicious lunch on this very special day. First, we're going to make the noodles. Let's heat a pan with 4 quarts of water and cook the noodles as per direction about 7 to 9 minutes. Drain and set it aside. In the meantime, we're going to heat a pan. Add in about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add in finely minced garlic ginger. Add in rough chopped onions, green beans. Did you know that these green beans were grown in our garden? If you want to know a bit about our gardening adventure, make sure to click the playlist that pops up. Chopped multicolored pepper, shredded carrots, shredded cabbage. Add in salt and black pepper for taste. Mix well and saute on high flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. Add in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili garlic ketchup. If you want to know how to make this ketchup, make sure to click the suggested video that pops up. Mix well. Add in the cooked noodles and mix that well too. Toss in some scallions and mix well again. Transfer to a serving dish and garnish with some scallions and set it aside because we have 2 more delicious recipes to make.
Hi, it's me, Avi. Now we're gonna make pepper chili mushroom. Heat the pan. Add oil. Add ginger, garlic, add onion, and saute. Bell pepper, pepper powder and salt. Saute for 2 minutes. Add clean mushrooms. Cook for 7 minutes. Add soy sauce. Crushed red chili. Chili sauce. And ketchup. Mix well. Remove and transfer. Garnish with chopped scallions. Noodles and mushroom are ready.
Now, Avi and I are going to teach you all how to make this homemade mango custard cake.
To a bowl, add soft butter.
Add powdered sugar and beat well.
Add in condensed milk.
Remember in the mango jam video we said, stay tuned with us to find out what we're gonna make with this mango jam? Well, you're right, we're gonna use this mango jam to make our cake. If you wanna know how to make our mango jam, make sure to click the suggested video that pops up. Add in baking powder, baking soda, mango custard powder, coconut flour, almond flour, and fold well.
Can I use regular flour in this recipe?
Yes, Avi. If you have regular flour, you can also use regular flour. Grease cake pan and pour in the batter. Tap well and bake in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes.
Remove the oven.
And allow it to completely cool down. Garnish with your choice. Yummy and delicious chow mein noodles, pepper chili mushroom, and eggless mango custard cake is ready.
If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them.
Happy Father's Day, everyone!
If you like our channel, please
Like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget our videos. Bye, guys!